Okay, so we're going to organize your Google Drive because it's going to get so messy if you don't. I promise it's worth it. So in your Google Drive, you'll click New up in the corner and you'll add a folder. And I want you to call it English or ELA, whatever you think of when you think of English class. Besides, like, English is garbage. I won't accept that. So click on your folder then, and you're going to make 3, 4 folders within your folder, okay? So first, you're going to do word of the day because we have a vocab word every day, and that way you can just log the word and the definition, plug it in, and you're good to go. You can go back and study it. Word of the day is in place of Membean since you don't have to do Membean. We'll do a quiz every 10 words, so that's like about 1 or 2 quizzes a term. It's really not a big deal, but you do want to keep them all together so that you can find them and do well on those quizzes. You're going to add another folder called Writer's Notebook, and this is where you will keep all your entries for our daily Writer's Notebooks. We'll turn those in chunks of 10, so within your Writer's Notebook, you will make a document and you'll call it Writer's Notebook 1 through 10. 1 through 10. And you'll just put 1, write your half page, 2, half page. So that way it's all in one document and it's easier for me to grade. So that is inside your Writer's Notebook folder. We're going to add 2 more folders. So this one you're going to call Sentence Practice. And we will get into that more, what this is for, but just keep that folder open. And then 1 more folder for the Happiness Project. And that will be for your whole year. The project, everything you're working on will go in there. So this will just keep you from having like a million unnamed documents that you don't know where to put them. This is what I need your Google Drive to look like. You're going to take a screenshot of this and submit it so that I can see that you're organized and ready to go for the year.